Welcome to the third lecture of terpenes and terpenoids. Today we will discuss the chemistry of xeraniol. We will touch the occurrence and uses, structure determination of xeraniol, synthesis, isomerism in xeraniol, oxidation reactions, and NMR of xeraniol. Xeraniol is a acyclic monoterpenoid. Structure is acyclic monoterpenoid containing two isoprene units joined head to tail linkage. Xeraniol, the major source of xeraniol is rose oil. It is also found in palm rose oil and citronella oil. It also occurs in small quantity in geranium, lemon, and many other essential oils. It is a pale yellow liquid, but pure xeraniol is a colorless liquid. It is mainly used in perfumes, lotions, creams, detergents, as well as soap. It also having some medicinal properties like antioxidant, can be used as anti-inflammatory, antifungal, etc. Let us discuss about the structure determination of xeraniol. This is based on the chemical method of analysis. In this first step is isolation of xeraniol in very pure form. After the isolation, it is subjected to various chemical reactions. From these chemical reactions, we have reached to xeraniol, structure of xeraniol. The first reaction is estimation of carbon and hydrogen. From this estimation, the molecular formula of xeraniol is found C10H18O. C10 means two isoprene units which are joined through head to tail linkage. According to molecular formula, it belongs to acyclic monoterpenoid class. Its empirical formula or molecular formula gives an important information about the structure of xeraniol molecule. Now we determine the nature of unsaturation. It is whether, as it contains the two isoprene units, that is, double bond should be present in it, and by using this formula, double bond equivalence equal to x plus 1 minus y upon 2, we can calculate the double bond equivalence, where CX, HY and OZ. Here the value of C is 10, Y is 18. So when we calculated it, it found we get 2. That means 2 double bonds may be present, or 1 double bond, or 2 rings are present. Let us see the analysis of unsaturation. Xeraniol molecule adds 2 molecules of hydrogen to form tetrahydroxeraniol, C10H22O, and 2 molecules of bromine to form xeraniol tetrabromide, C10H18OBr4. So from these two reactions, we can say that xeraniol contains 2 double bonds. Now let's come to the nature of oxygen atom. It reacts with ceric ammonium nitrate, gives red color, which show that alcoholic group is present in the molecule. Now we see that whether it is primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, or tertiary alcohol. To determine this, we do the oxidation of xeraniol. On oxidation, it gives aldehyde, which is found to be citral. We have already studied the structure of citral, and this aldehyde further on oxidation gives xeranic acid, and on reduction with sodium amalgam, citral gives xeraniol. This means that the group present in xeraniol is primary alcoholic group. Therefore, the structure of xeraniol can be written as this, as shown in figure 1, xeraniol. Now, this can be further proved by its synthesis. Now, come to the synthesis. The first synthesis of xeraniol is from citral. On reduction with sodium amalgam, citral gives xeraniol plus nerol, small amount of nerol. Second synthesis is from linalool. It is a laboratory method. It is also acyclic monoterpenoid having a tertiary alcoholic group. In the presence of an acid, it undergoes a carbocation rearrangement, which on finally converts into xeraniol. And the next synthesis we will take in the next lecture of xeraniol. Thank you.